In this video, we'll discuss about drug metabolism in the liver. It is classified as phase 1 and phase 2 reactions. Phase 1 reactions are also known as functionalization reactions. It adds or unmasks the polar bodies in the chemical or the drug. The types of phase 1 reactions are oxidation, reduction, hydrolysis, cyclization, decyclization. First is oxidation. It involves addition of oxygen or negatively charged radical, or removal of hydrogen or positively charged radical. The important enzyme for oxidation reaction is cytochrome P450 system. Drugs metabolized by oxidation are phenothiazines, paracetamol, steroids. The activity of cytochrome P450 enzymes is induced or inhibited by other drugs or chemicals. It is particularly important in the drugs with narrow therapeutic window. The inhibition of enzymes will cause the drug toxicity, and inducer of enzymes will increase their metabolism and render them ineffective. We'll see the examples of the drugs that induce or inhibit hepatic cytochrome P450 enzymes. The inhibitors are antibiotics like metronidazole, ciprofloxacin, erythromycin, antifungals like fluconazole, ketoconazole, anesthetics like etomidate, amiodarone, acute alcohol, cimetidine, dextropropoxifen, and grapefruit. The inducers are anticonvulsants like primidone, carbamazepine, phenytoin, anesthetics like barbiturates, inhalational agents like enflurane, halothane, antifungals like griseofulvin, antibiotics like rifampicin, chronic alcohol, glucocorticoids, and smoking. Other phase 1 reactions include reduction. It involves addition of hydrogen or positively charged radical, or removal of oxygen or negatively charged radical. Example of drugs are chloral hydrate, chloramphenicol, halothane, warfarin. It involves cytochrome P450 enzyme system. Third phase 1 reaction is hydrolysis. This is cleavage of drug molecule by taking up of molecule of water. It occurs in liver, intestine, plasma, lungs. Example of drugs are cholinesterase, procaine, lidocaine, procainamide, aspirin, indomethacin, pethidine, oxytocin. Cyclization is the formation of the ring compound from straight chain. Example of drugs: proguanil to cycloguanil. Decyclization is the opening of the ring structure of cyclic drug molecule. Examples are barbiturates, phenytoin. Let's discuss about phase 2 reactions or synthetic reactions. It involves conjugation of the drug or its phase 1 metabolites with endogenous carbohydrate or amino acid substrate to form a polar, highly ionized organic acid, which is easily excited in bile or urine. Glucuronate conjugation. Enzyme involved is UDP, glucuronyl transferase. Examples of the drugs: chloramphenicol, aspirin, paracetamol, diazepam, lorazepam, morphine, metronidazole. Acetylation. Enzyme involved is acetyl coenzyme A. Drugs involved are sulfonamides, isoniazid, PAS, dapsone, hydralazine, clonazepam, procainamide. Methylation involves enzymes methyl transferase. Drugs involved are adrenaline, histamine, nicotinic acid, methyl dopa, captopril, mercaptopurine. Sulfate conjugation involves the enzyme sulfotransferases. Drugs involved are chloramphenicol, methyl dopa, adrenal and 6 steroids. Glycine conjugation involves the drugs salicylates, nicotinic acid. Other phase 2 reactions are glutathione conjugation and ribonucleoside or nucleotide synthesis.